Hey, let me show you how we can try to fix the Wi-Fi network issue on the Redmi A3. So we can actually go into the settings and we've got three different methods. The first one, you can just go into the settings, open the network and the internet. From this, open the Wi-Fi internet connection. And when you are connected to this Wi-Fi network, I can recommend you to click on this icon in the right upper corner. You are going to quickly restart your Wi-Fi adapter that is actually available on the smartphone. You will be connected back, so we are not going to forget all of these networks, but it's like simple reset of your Wi-Fi adapter. If it doesn't work, you can still try to do something, so go back from this one. Now I can recommend you to go for the system, then scroll into the reset options and select this one, reset Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. After this, you are going like forget any network and get back all of these default settings. And if it still doesn't work, you can also perform the ultimate way to erase all data. That's called also the factory reset. So we are going to remove like everything from your smartphone, and you can try it if these two previously steps doesn't work. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.